Morning folks, and welcome back to another wee adventure. So we're actually on a corbett today, which is just behind the cobbler, and I'm not even going to try and say the name. I'm sure it's something like Beinn Luibhean, which is totally wrong, or viewing, so I'm not going to go there. I'll put the name up. But yes, cracking morning. Beinn Luibhean over here, the brack, Skewer Iconic about the back here, and Beinn Lochan sitting up the other side there. So I actually parked the van last night at the wee lochan at the bottom of Beinn Lochan, so the rest of me thankful. Cracking night, quite cold. The skies were pure clear, so it was nice. A lot of stars in the sky, so it was quite good. Didn't go out too long because it was freezing cold, but yeah, wee night. It just came up. Got here about 9:30. Thought it's not a far drive for me to get to here, but I just get finished work and get a dinner straight up, so I just thought I'll come in the van. I've not been out there for a while. So yes, we're up here today, and there's the fiveys out, Paul, Tam, and Dave, and Virtue as well. So wee short one today, which we all need because we've not been out for a while, quite a few days. So we're going to enjoy this. So this is the route going up here. So a wee slight path, but I think it might go a bit pathless here. So going to enjoy this, and hopefully get the drone up and we'll get some nice footage. If the wind's not too high at the top, a wee bit of snow, but yeah, looking good. Catches in the way up.
Amber's like that, how you shout? No, man.
Oh folks, that's us. Quite a wee bit up, so we've got maybe about 150 metres, 200 metres to go. And as you can see in the background, the big man's arrived. The sun, maybe not for long, as I think we're forecast for snow at 5 o'clock up here, so make the most of it. It's been a while since we've seen this, so yeah, that's the cobbler that's coming over the top, and if I swing round, Beinn Luibhean in the background, and then we'll be heading up here. So looking back down here, swing around. So that's the brack, back down to Beinn Luibhean. Beinn Lochan, that's the top of the cracking corbett that as well. And then in the back of that sort of area will be Beinn Luibhean, which might be the one that's in the lens. It's hard to tell where it sits. I think that could be it. So yeah, we done that a wee back at the start of the year as well. It's a good wee day out, even though it was pretty miserable. Still a good wee day out. So yeah, so we'll just stop for a wee break here, and then we'll make our way up. But enjoying it. Just good to get out of the house. nothing worse when you're cooped up, working all week and then you can't get out the weekends. This is what it's all about. So yeah, making the most of the day. So catch you in at the top. Right folks, that's us, we're at the top. Everybody's here. Yeah, wee fresh wind there, morning there, so it is a wee bit cold, but get a drink on that, we'll sit up here, get a coffee. So that's the wee lochan, the boat my Beinn Luibhean. I don't know, you'll not see it where I'm pointing is where I basically pitched the van last night. So that's where I stayed the night. Bit noisy right enough with trucks going by, so not the best of sleep. But yeah, it was quite good, waking up to a nice view in the morning. So yes, so it was only about a mile back down the road, right round the side here. We're just down the other side of the park, came up. So it's been a nice wee walk in the snow, and the views are absolutely stunning. You see all the way right round the Arrocher Alps. Cracking place. And it's great because it's only just over an hour away from where I stay and that, so it's brilliant to get here. Have some mountains so close to where you come from. But yes, brilliant. Just so happy we came out today, as I say, because the weather's all changing again. We've got this wee tiny window, and I'd imagine the mountains will be absolutely mobbed today because everybody's going to have the same idea. So, but we've landed lucky, we're up here ourselves. Great. So we're going to have a wee coffee and let you see the scenes up here. Hopefully I can get the drone up again and we'll get some views again. So thanks for tuning in folks, and following along all the walks and the videos. It's always great to hear comments. So we're going to go and get a wee coffee and catch you on the way back down. that's us. An RV corbett done, so that's us just coming down. So, aye. So that's us for basically just off this wee corbett. It was up at the rest and be thankful. And what a day we got. The weather was cracking. And so glad we came out because, as I say, there's a wee weather window. We're going back to the rotten weather. So just had to go out and take it. But it was a great day, guys, and that, so we loved it. Some cracking shots at the top, looking at the cobbler, Beinn Luibhean. So yeah, another productive day and another cracking wee corbett. Quite a steep one, but it was good to do it. So not that I'm corbett bashing either, but I like to do them. So I think I've only really got sort of Beinn Luibhean, the one out here, which is in the background. This is about the only one I've got left in this bit here, so I'll maybe get out and do that sometime. As I say, I think that's quite an easy path up there. Maybe a good wee one for a summer, a Friday night or something, that'd be quite good. But yes, looking forward to getting back in the hills. Don't know how it's going to be next weekend or that, but we're just taking it week by week with the way the weather is. So, yeah, but great again. So, if you enjoyed the video, as I say, it's always great to hear from everybody in that, and I like watching the videos and following along. So hope you like this one, and I'll see you on the next one.